Welcome to Tamara's channel. In recent times, lot of railway stocks flying like anything. The reason behind that news and upcoming budget. Everyone expecting government will give more capex on the railway industry. I am also expecting the same. So shall we buy the shares now? But before buying the shares, we need to consider one point. In future, all these hypes gets over, the price may get down 10 to 20% correction. If you have a confidence to downward average that time, definitely you can buy now. Why? Because of we know history, lot of good government stocks never give any profit 1 decade also. So same thing will happen these shares also in future. So I'm not saying this is wrong decision, but you need to know where to buy and where to exit from the stock. You have the confidence, definitely you can consider now.